So this is Cooking with Swai, episode 1. So his menu is Swai fish, broccoli, and we also have the mashed potatoes. So first things first, I'm gonna give y'all 2 tips. One, when you're cooking, well, when you're frying, you always want to season everything first and then put your flour, because it'll make it taste better. And then the second one is if you're baking or frying, marinate it overnight or just for a couple hours. So the Swai fish is already clean. I have all the seasonings. Tony Sassery, got the salt, garlic, parsley flakes, let's see what else, cayenne pepper, of course, garlic powder. You don't need garlic salt. And PSB powder. Oh. Yep, that's about it. Those are the seasonings we're going to use. Now, you don't specifically have to use them, but that's just to make it taste better.
Main ingredient.
So, a lot of people, like me, like to season it inside the sink. That's where you get the best flavor. Don't worry, the sink is clean. So, let's get her done. I have all our seasonings. Now, you don't want to be shiesty on the seasoning. You want to season it up, because if you don't, it won't taste good. And we don't do that just salt and pepper shit. Now, for cayenne pepper, you don't want to put too much because it is spicy. So, just a little sprinkle. And that's it. Garlic powder, again, enhances the flavor. You don't want to put too much of that, because we have the garlic pepper. Now, a little bit of salt. You don't want to overdo the salt. So just a sprinkle of salt. As so. And parsley flakes, just for color. Don't really need it, like I said. Now, dealing with fish, you want to be very gentle, because if you're not, it's going to break apart. So, just want to be very gentle and rub the seasoning on. You don't have to do the back, but you can if you want to.
And then after, we're going to grab a bowl. You guys can grab the bowl too. Have to lay down the flour and get the frying. Everything is prepped. Oh my God, no. Okay, like so. Now, fish has a lot of water, so you have to drain it in a while. You want to season it real good. So all that seasoning is good on there. Yes. Everything is prepped like the frying.
I find this is the easy way. Then, okay, I'm going to slice my fish in half. Make sure you're very delicate with the fish, like I said, because it's easy to come apart, like so. And you just want to do that with all of them. This is some really good fish. I haven't had it before, but I know it's good because the way it looks, it's not no ordinary fish. So you want to continue to slice it. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're not perfectionists. So like I said in the beginning, the fish does have a lot of water. So the best thing to do is to drain it, like so. Put that off to the side. You just want to do that with all of them. We're just draining excess water because we are frying them. But you also want to be gentle too. like so. And the best thing about frying, you also want to fry it 2 times for crispiness. So you're going to fry it for a little bit first, and then you're going to take it out and then fry it again. Oh, now once I flour it, I'm going to add it straight into the fryer, which is over there. Flour it. Make sure you flour it really good. And like I said, if you season it first and then flour it is going to savor the flavor, and it's also going to come out very crispier. And we're frying it 2 times. So I'm going to take it, shake it a little bit to take the flour off, excess flour, and add it straight into our fryer. We're going to continue this process. Now you can add more seasoning into the flour, but you don't have to. Like I said, it's not necessary, but you can.
And being that I let all the excess flour come apart, that's just better for the frying. Because you don't have extra clumps and stuff that you don't need inside the flour. This is really good fish for frying. Well, any fish is good for frying. But these are also good to bake too. Baked fish is always good. The reason why I cut it is to make sure that we all have enough, but you don't have to cut them. And it also fits inside the fryer better. But like I said, you can fry like pan fry, but you don't have to. It is always a good alternative. Just gonna add some more flour. Yes, sir. And I have 2 more. Squeeze on the flour. Make sure you get inside the cracks with the flour too. And going to check on the one that's in the fire. First, let me wash my hands. Always important to wash your hands.
And I'm going to take one of these because it drains the oil, which is really good. And you see how it's frying pretty good? That means it's almost time to take it out. Because like I said, we're frying it 2 times. So I'm going to get my paper towels ready. Because like I said, we're frying them 2 times. And this is better this way. So, 1 here. And we're going to continue frying the rest of them. You want to get all that excess flour off. I'm going to add 3 this time. Make it more faster. Okay, so we're going to add the broccoli and cheese into water. Yes, sir. Also going to check on these fishes, make sure they're not stuck together. And it looks like, yep, it's time to take them out. I can grab it. I'm going to drain all that grease out. Unhealthy. Like so. Just add it to the paper towel. Yes, sir. Drain all that. 1, 2. I'm gonna add a 3rd one. 3. And we have 2 more left to fry. Almost ready. 2 more left. Stir your broccoli in. This is very important because the water is going to cook the broccoli. Yep. Now for extra crispiness, you want to let it sit for a little bit. And then we refry it again. So we're going to let it sit a little bit. And we're going to fry part 2. You know, I was thinking of just cooking like once a week. That way I don't run out of, you know, ideas to cook, and to also be consistent on my main channel. So that's most likely what I'm going to do. And I'm always going to come out with different recipes. Sometimes it might not even be food. It might be like me baking something or whatever. So stay tuned. But yeah, it's not going to be a specific like schedule when I'm going to cook. But do turn on the bell so you know when I post things. And also follow me on my Instagram so you know when I post them. But yeah, I'm just trying to be consistent. And welcome to this channel. I'm going to have fun. I'm ready to build on this channel actually, because this is something I like to do, so I'm happy about it. And shout out to Darius, because he's the one who, you know, inspired me to do this. He's been telling me to do a cooking channel. And fry it once more. So we're just going to do 3 at a time. Make it easy.
I was calling because I just put an application. I wanted to know the status on the application.
This is the smoky cheese and bacon. Yes, sir. And applewood smoked bacon. What a good combination. Let me know. Get to stirring. That's my shit. Shit gets some more this and stuff. I'll get back to this. Nice and brown. It's the perks of frying it 2 times.
Or make my voice animated or something.
I was giving it time for the butter to melt actually. Just want to mix that in real good. Very quick and very easy. Also going to get back to that too. Just give it a little stir. Fish is almost ready to take out. Everything is good. See how the water's draining out? Cheesy flavor. this is the finished product. But there's the end of it. Cooking with Swai.